What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So today I have another IPSY unveiling bag. I have not seen this bag. I know I'm a little behind on my posting, but I think this was last month's. So here's the bag. That is so cute. Let's see. Yes, this is September's. And this says work, school, life. And it says, cheers to 10 years of IPSY. So, let's see what is inside this. You open it up, and it is also like yellowish gold. So, let's see. We have a Radiant Glow highlighter from IPSY. I love their packaging. And then we have some Dead Brow Gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Love the packaging, as always, guys. And then we have Illuminating Concealer from Be Bright. And then this is eyeshadow from Lower East Side. And last but not least, we have Confidence in a gel lotion. It says it's oil-free. And this is from It Cosmetics. So the card says, back to work, school, life. Whether you're rushing into the office again, commuting and wearing lipstick, or catching up on much needed self-care, get back into the swing of things in style. So then it's just got some tips. It says your official fall skincare guide. Chilly temps, radiators, and bitter winds lead to dry, itchy skin, nip skin freakouts in the bud with this fall-friendly routine. Says step 1, cleanse. Step 2, tone. Step 3, add a serum. Step 4, apply eye cream. Step 5, moisturize. Step 6, protect with SPF 30+. And then it says, get to know your glam bag picks, valued at $50+. So again, here's the bag. That's super cute. And I will be doing videos on testing these products or trying them out. And I will post pictures at the end of this so you can see what all was in this bag. So if there's any other videos you want to see, or any makeup or cosmetology related videos, leave me a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell. And until next time, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching.